So far, my experience with Family Flavours magazine has been wonderful, and I'd definitely like to congratulate Family Flavours on a whopping 15 years. That's excellent, and I'm sure Family Flavours will continue to deliver the same, if not better, quality content to families in Jordan. So, speaking of families in Jordan, I come from a mixed race family who spent time in Jordan, and we've learned many tips of cookery along the way related to Jordan. So the Fusion Kitchen serves as a memoir of both of my cultures growing up, which is my Jordanian cookery and my English cookery. It's kind of like a home activity which we enjoy every month. What happens is me and my mum, we think of a recipe, we think, oh, what could we fusion between a Jordanian meal and an English meal? What flavors could match where? So yeah, me and my mum, we do that. We work hard, we take photos for the magazine, we enjoy sending them in, we enjoy writing the recipe. Well, of course, my father enjoys eating. Yeah, it works out fine, really. But other than that, my experience with Family Flavours magazine has been such a positive one. I have learnt so much through the wisdom of these pages. There isn't anything that cannot be found in this magazine, whether it's life experience, whether it's mental health, whether it's people's struggles and people's outbreaks. Also just things that you need in everyday life, let's say makeup tips or cooking tips or photography tips.